We'll guide you through how to fix your PS5 randomly turning off. We're going through a range of different fixes for different reasons, so make sure to watch this full video. For the first method, we're going to go and change our power saving settings. So if you go and leave your PS5 watching content or on games, then it may go into rest mode. So to go and change this setting, go to the top right and click on settings, and then go down to system. And in system, go and click on power saving and then click on set time until PS5 enters rest mode. And we've got two options here, during media playback and while playing games. So this is 4 hours, so I might put that to don't put in rest mode, and I'll do the same. This is only 20 minutes. So I could then click on don't put in rest mode. So that's one way. The next fix, if your PS5 is randomly turning off, is to go and change its position. So if your PS5 is in sort of a cramped space with bad airflow and just sort of space around it, then it could be overheating. And if it overheats, it's just going to go and shut down to go and sort of stop any damage that may occur. So make sure you keep your PS5 sort of pulled out like this, and it's not in a closed cabinet or something like that, because as you can see at the back, there's plenty of space for the air to be sort of moved around. Otherwise, if it's in a cramped space, it's just recycling hot air and it's not going to be properly cooled. So yeah, just make sure it's not in a cramped area, not tucked behind a monitor or something like that. For the next fix, we need to go into the PS5 Safe Mode. To get there, you need to shut down your PS5. So open the control center and go along until you can click on the power button, then press turn off PS5, or just hold on to the PS5 power button. So you'll hear it beep, keep holding it until it beeps again, and then it will shut down. If you let go after the first beep, it'll be in rest mode. It needs to be completely shut down, and then wait for the lights to stop as well. It's now shut down, so to put it into safe mode, you need to press and hold the power button. So keep holding it after that initial beep until you hear the second beep, and that'll mean it's going into safe mode. So like that, then let go, and it's now going to go and start into safe mode. And you need to go and connect your controller. So I've got one end plugged into the console, and we'll plug the other end into the remote. And then you can go and press on the PlayStation button like this, and then we can go and use it. So in your safe mode, what you can try doing is clearing the cache. That's just going to refresh everything, and you aren't going to lose any data by doing this. So you can start by doing clear system software cache like that, press OK. Your PS5 will then restart, and then you can try doing the rebuild database as well. So what you'll need to do is shut down your PS5 again and then go back into safe mode. So after it's shut down, wait for it to completely turn off, and then you can go and hold on the power button to go and get it into safe mode again. Once you're back in the safe mode, there are two more things you can try. So what you can try doing is going into the update system software, and you can update using the internet. So click there, it will say please wait, and then it says we can go and update to that there. And what you can also do is if I press cancel here and go back, you can try rebuilding the database. So click there and then click on rebuild database. And as you can see, it will take a few hours to do that, but that may go and fix your problem. So you can try both of those and go and see if it will fix your problem. And hopefully one of these methods in this video has worked for you. If it has, please go down below and consider leaving a like.